Jake, what do you think about tonight's dinner?
Cool.
What are you eating?
Apples.
What were you just eating a second ago?
I don't know. I don't know, Mom. Say it.
What's that right there? What is it?
What is it?
You stink.
Is that
Tomatoes?
potatoes? Potatoes.
Yeah.
Yum, yum, yum.
What do you think of your potatoes?
I'm done. I'm done, Mom. I'm done. Daddy, I'm done.
You're done.
Huh? When the lights are gonna go out?
We don't know the lights are gonna go out, honey. It's just some thunder and lightning.
Daddy.
I'm Mommy.
Watch this. Bear put his head up.
What'd you think of dinner tonight, Hannah?
He put his head up. Bear put his head up. And do this.
Ah,
Daddy.
good dinner.
He put his head up and did it.
Who does that?
Bear in the big house.
Bear in the Big Blue House. What's he doing?
He does this.
The bear cha-cha-cha.
No, he does that when you're here. But when the mood is here. And when you're and when all the friends are here. Did my friend the Big Blue House? Is the show over?
Yes,
Yes.
Hannah's movie's over.
It's over finally.
Bear in the Big Blue House?
Not with a cha-cha-cha.
Huh? No, what?
Hannah.
What is on TV? The big one or the little ones? What do
Big one.
little ones
The big
do?
one. The big one.
What do little ones do, Daddy?
Change the channel and adjust the volume.
What one is mine?
Huh?